I'm Anwar Mamon. I'm an exec producer at Wildstar Films. At the moment, I think production's at a really interesting point because people want authenticity, they want new voices, and really there's a hunger for new technology to unlock new ways of telling existing stories or new stories. So it's an exciting time to be in TV. There are lots of opportunities at all levels of production at the moment. And I think what we're learning as an industry is how to support people as they enter the industry. And hopefully, especially at Wellstar Films, what we're trying to do is retain as staff as much as possible. Because I think, TV really needs the next leaders, it needs the next lot of producers that will make content for a global audience. Wildstar Films, and I would say this is an inspiring place to work, but at the moment we have a production that is due to go out next year on Disney Plus, and it's called Queens. And it's a natural history show that looks at matriarchal societies in the natural world. But it isn't just that. It's a female-led production team from exec producer down. And I think it's been really inspiring to see how that team has worked differently in the sense of supporting female co-workers through maternity leave, through whatever they have to deal with as women in the industry. And it's been great to see that show come together and be something so premium and so brilliant, but also a different way of working that I think will help us all support women better in the workplace. At my fireside chat, I'm really hoping to talk about diversity, sustainability, and those things really feed into the bigger picture, the future of our industry, where we're going, and what really we need, the messages we really need to get out to a global audience. And that's the key for me is that TV now is at this amazing point where we're not just talking to the UK, we're not just talking to the US, we're trying to appeal to audiences around the world and find those stories that resonate with them. I've never been to IBC, so I'm very excited to go for the first time. I've heard great things. I'm really excited to look at the tech, but to meet people and to explore new avenues, new ways of working, and hopefully, make new connections that will help us to make new productions and discover new stories.